In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a OneDrive video seamlessly and effectively. Whether you're looking to collaborate on a project, share memories with friends and family, or simply need to transfer large files, Microsoft OneDrive offers a convenient solution. Let's walk through the process together, ensuring you have all the information needed to share your videos with ease. First things first, begin by navigating to the Microsoft website. This is your gateway to accessing various Microsoft services, including OneDrive. Once you've landed on their page, the next step is quite straightforward. You need to sign into your account. Look for the sign in button and give it a click. This should redirect you to a sign in page where you'll be prompted to enter your email address. It's important to ensure that the email you use is associated with your Microsoft account to avoid any login issues. After entering your email, proceed by clicking Next. You'll then be asked to input your password. Remember, your password is the key to your account's security, so be sure you're entering it in a secure environment. Once you've keyed in your password, click on Next again to continue. You might be prompted to stay signed in. This can be handy if you're using a personal device, as it will save you from entering your credentials each time you want to access OneDrive. Click Yes if you're comfortable with this option, but if you're on a public or shared device, it might be safer to decline. Upon successful login, your next move is to explore the menu options available. Look for All Microsoft and click on it. This action will unveil a number of Microsoft services. Among these, you'll find OneDrive. Click on it to proceed. If prompted, sign into OneDrive even though you've already logged into your Microsoft account. This sign-in process ensures that you can securely access your OneDrive storage. Once in OneDrive, head over to the Home OneDrive page. This is your dashboard where you can upload, access and manage your files. Find and click on Add New. You'll see several options, but for video sharing purposes, select Files Upload. Browse through your device to locate the video you wish to share, select it and initiate the upload. Depending on the size of the video and your internet speed, this might take some time, so a little patience goes a long way here. After the upload, navigate to My Files to view your recently uploaded video, among other stored files. Locate the video you wish to share. This might require some scrolling if you have a lot of files. Once you've found the video, click on the three-dot icon, also known as the More menu, next to it. A menu will appear with several options, among which you'll find Share. Click on Share to proceed to the next step. In the sharing window, you're provided with several options to customize how you share your video. You can add the name, email address, or even a group you wish to share the video with. Take a moment to double check the recipient's information to ensure your video reaches the intended audience. Once everything looks good, hit send. A few additional tips to enhance your sharing experience. Consider adding a personal message when you share your video. This can provide context to the recipient and make the exchange more meaningful. Also, be aware of your share settings. You can choose whether the recipient can edit or only view the video, adding an extra layer of control over your shared content. And that's it. You've successfully shared a video via OneDrive. Whether you're sharing for work, school, or personal reasons, OneDrive makes it incredibly easy and secure to share videos and other files with anyone, anywhere. Remember, effective video sharing is not just about the technical steps, but also about making the most out of OneDrive's features to suit your specific needs. With a little practice, you'll be sharing videos like a pro in no time. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.